Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locking the purpose. State the single central idea you'll teach or inspire. Once done, map your audience, who they are, what they already know, and what they need next. Make sure to set 3 measurable goals so you can design content to achieve them. Then outline the opening hook that proves relevance within 30 seconds. Start drafting 3 core points that support the idea. These will guide the structure and timing of your keynote. Now assemble the body by converting each core point into a 3-part mini-arc. Problem, insight, example. Use 1 story per point to humanize data and back claims with a single strong statistic or visual. Once those blocks exist, write crisp transitions to guide listeners between ideas so momentum never stalls. Make sure to rehearse timings and trim content until each section fits the allotted minutes. Pacing determines whether your argument lands, or finish by constructing a closing that ties back to your central idea and asks the audience to take 1 clear action. Then rehearse aloud, record at least 3 runs, adjust phrasing and gestures, and practice the first 5 minutes until it feels natural. Once comfortable, run an AV check and prepare 2 backup slides plus a 60-second fallback version to salvage time. If things go wrong, pivot to a personal story and the core takeaway to keep connection and...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.